Most men over 40 do not need louder clothes. They need cleaner ones. Paul Newman proved that a white t-shirt, sharp jeans, and the right sunglasses could look better than any trend. His style was relaxed, masculine, and quietly elegant, but the real secret was in the details you missed. Tip number 1. Start with a perfect white t-shirt. Paul Newman's style begins with the piece most men treat like an afterthought, the white t-shirt. That is why it matters. A white t-shirt sounds simple, but it reveals everything. It shows whether the shoulders fit. It shows whether the fabric is too thin. It shows whether the neckline has stretched out. It shows whether a man understands clean casual dressing or just grabbed the first shirt in the drawer. For men over 40, the white tee should not be tight, long, or flimsy. It should sit cleanly on the shoulders, skim the chest, and stop around the hips. The sleeve should hit the upper arm without flaring out. The collar should hold its shape. That is the difference between casual and careless. Newman often looked good because the base of the outfit was controlled. A plain tee with good denim, clean sunglasses, and relaxed posture did more for him than a loud designer piece would have done. For a simple example, the Buck Mason white tee is the kind of basic that works because it looks easy, not precious, and it is linked in the description. Wear it under a chambray shirt, with dark jeans or beneath a relaxed jacket. Keep it bright, replace it before it yellows, and avoid wearing workout tees as real outfits. This sounds small, but it changes everything because the first layer sets the standard. One more thing, do not overstyle it. Newman's t-shirt looked strong because he let it breathe. No heavy necklace, no loud belt, no strange layering. Just clean cotton, good posture, and pieces around it that respected the same simplicity. Start here before buying anything dramatic. If the t-shirt is wrong, the whole outfit feels off. Tip number 2. Wear denim like a grown man. Denim is where many men over 40 lose the balance. They either wear jeans that are too young, with heavy rips and aggressive fades, or they go too far the other way and choose stiff, shapeless jeans that make the outfit feel dated. Paul Newman's denim worked because it looked natural. It did not scream for attention. It framed the body, gave the outfit a little edge, and still felt relaxed enough for real life. The best shape is usually straight or slim straight, not skinny, not oversized. The leg should follow the body without clinging to it. The rise should be comfortable enough to sit properly at the waist. The hem should break cleanly over the shoe instead of bunching heavily at the ankle. Color matters too. Dark denim feels sharper. Medium blue feels more casual. Very pale washes can work, but they need a clean fit so they do not look sloppy. Also watch the back pockets, the fading, and the stretch. Too much stretch can make denim look soft in the wrong way. Too much fading can pull the eye to the thighs instead of the whole outfit. Clean denim lets the man lead. The goal is not to look like a teenager. The goal is to look like a man who still understands ease, movement, and proportion. This is why proportion matters more than trend. A slightly fuller trouser can look elegant if the waist is right. A slimmer jean can still work if it is not squeezing the leg. The eye wants balance. If the shirt is relaxed, the trousers should not look sprayed on. If the jacket has structure, the bottom half should not collapse. Newman's outfits felt easy because every piece seemed to understand the others. That is the quiet skill to copy. That balance is what makes simple clothing look personal instead of plain, and mature instead of safe, flat, or forgettable on camera too. If your jeans are almost right but not perfect, tailor the length before replacing them. A cleaner hem can change the whole silhouette. Men often blame the shirt or jacket when the real problem is fabric pooling at the ankle. A white tee and good jeans are not boring when the fit is right. They are the foundation of the whole look. Once the base is clean, the next layer is where the style starts to feel intentional. Tip number 3, use collared casual shirts. Paul Newman understood the power of a collar. A collar frames the face. It makes casual clothing feel more finished. It gives a man structure without forcing him into formal dressing. That is why polos, Oxford shirts, and chambray shirts belong in this wardrobe. The polo is the easiest first step. It keeps the relaxed feeling of a t-shirt, but it looks sharper at lunch, on vacation, or on a warm evening out. The key is avoiding shiny golf fabrics, giant logos, and sleeves that float around the arm. A good polo should feel clean, soft, and confident. The ORLEBAR brown linen polo is a refined version of this idea because it gives the casual polo a slightly more mature texture. Then there is the Oxford shirt. This is not the same as a stiff dress shirt. An Oxford has texture and ease. It can be worn open over a tee, tucked into chinos, or under a blazer. White and light blue are the safest colors because they brighten the face and work with almost every trouser. Chambray adds the rugged side. It gives the outfit a little workwear energy without looking like a costume. Wear it with khaki trousers, white denim, or dark jeans. Do not button everything to the throat unless the outfit calls for it. Leave the collar relaxed. Roll the sleeves neatly if the weather is warm. These small choices make the shirt feel worn by you, not displayed on you. The rule is simple. When a t-shirt feels too plain, reach for a collar. It adds shape immediately, especially around the face, where most people notice your style first. Tip number 4, keep the colors calm. Newman's wardrobe worked because the colors did not fight him. White, navy, gray, denim blue, khaki, olive, cream, and brown did most of the work. These colors are not flashy, but they are useful. They let the fit, fabric, and attitude carry the outfit. For men over 40, this is important because loud colors can quickly become distracting. A bright shirt can work, but if every outfit depends on color to be interesting, the wardrobe starts to feel forced. Calm colors create range. A white tee with blue jeans feels classic. A navy polo with khaki chinos feels polished. A gray sweatshirt with dark denim feels relaxed. A cream sweater with olive trousers feels soft but masculine. This is also how you make a small wardrobe look larger. When the colors work together, the same pieces can be mixed many ways. A good rule is to keep one light color, one dark color, and one grounded neutral in the outfit. White, navy, and khaki. Gray, denim, and brown. Cream, olive, and dark blue. These combinations look mature because nothing is competing. The mistake is buying one exciting item at a time without asking whether it fits the rest of the closet. That leads to clothes that look fine alone but awkward together. This also makes shopping easier. Before buying anything, ask whether it belongs to this palette. If the answer is no, it has to be exceptional. Most of the time, the quieter color will get worn more and look better longer. Paul Newman's style is not about looking plain. It is about removing noise so the man looks stronger than the outfit. When the shirts are sorted, the lower half has to carry the same quiet control. Tip number 5, master trousers that actually fit. Jeans are important, but chinos and casual trousers are what make this style feel grown. A man over 40 should not rely on denim for every casual outfit. Chinos give you options. They work with a white t-shirt, polo, Oxford shirt, blazer, sweater, or loafers. They can look relaxed during the day and still feel sharp at dinner. The fit is the main thing. Trousers should sit at the waist, not hang low on the hips. They should have enough room through the thigh to move comfortably. The leg should fall cleanly instead of gripping the calf. This is where pleated trousers can help. A modern pleat gives space without making the outfit look old. It also adds a little maturity, which fits this style well. The Alex Mill pleated pant is a good example because it has that relaxed adult shape without feeling too formal. Keep the colors grounded. Khaki, stone, olive, navy, and brown will do more for you than strange seasonal shades. Pay attention to the length as well. A small break or no break usually looks cleaner than a long puddle of fabric over the shoe. If you are not sure, have them hemmed. One small alteration can make a modest pair look much more expensive. Also avoid trousers that depend on a belt to stay in place. A belt should finish the outfit, not rescue the fit. When the waist sits properly, the whole look becomes calmer, cleaner, and more expensive without trying. The test is simple. If the trousers work with at least 5 pieces you already own, they belong in the wardrobe. If they need a special outfit to make sense, leave them alone. Tip number 6. Wear soft layers without looking lazy. The sweatshirt and the sweater are two different tools, but they solve the same problem. They make a man look relaxed without making him look unfinished. A crewneck sweatshirt works when it is plain, structured, and clean. Gray, navy, cream, or faded blue are the safest choices. Avoid big graphics, oversized hoods, and anything that looks like it belongs only on the sofa. The fit should be easy through the body, but the collar, cuffs, and hem should still hold shape. A sweater does something slightly different. It adds softness and polish. A simple crew neck over an Oxford shirt can make a man look calm and refined. A light knit with jeans and loafers can look better than a complicated outfit. For men over 40, knitwear should not be too tight around the stomach or too thin in the fabric. It should have enough weight to sit properly. Texture is useful here. Cotton, merino, lamb's wool, and brushed fleece each give the outfit depth without adding loud color. This is how a quiet outfit avoids looking flat. Do not ignore the neckline. A stretched sweatshirt collar or weak sweater collar can make the whole outfit look tired. The neckline is close to the face, so people notice it quickly, even if they cannot explain what feels wrong. The best layers feel quiet. They do not ask to be noticed, they just make the outfit look complete. After that, the jacket is where the whole wardrobe starts to look adult. Tip number 7, choose jackets with purpose. Paul Newman's jackets looked useful. That is the part many men miss. The jacket should not look like decoration. It should look like something you can actually live in. A work jacket, chore coat, denim jacket, or relaxed blazer can all fit this style. The key is choosing the right one for the moment. A work jacket gives the outfit a rugged line. It works over a tee, Oxford, chambray shirt, or sweatshirt. It is especially good for men who want structure but do not want to look dressed up. A navy blazer is the sharper option. It can lift jeans, chinos, or a polo without turning the outfit into office wear. The shoulders should feel soft, not padded. The fabric should have texture, not shine. The Todd Snyder linen Sutton jacket is a useful version of that relaxed blazer idea, and it is linked in the description. For men over 40, the jacket should also respect the body. It should shape the shoulders, give a clean line through the chest, and leave enough room to move. If you cannot sit, drive, or reach comfortably, it is not relaxed style. It is just tight clothing. Length matters too. A casual jacket should usually end around the hips, while a blazer should cover enough to feel balanced. If the jacket is too short, it looks trendy. If it is too long, it can make casual clothes feel heavy. This is where you can gain the most ground. A good jacket improves posture, sharpens the shoulders, and makes even simple clothes look intentional. Tip number 8. Use footwear to mature the outfit. Shoes decide the age of the outfit. That sounds harsh, but it is true. A man can wear a great white tee, strong jeans, and a clean jacket, then ruin the whole thing with bulky sneakers or tired square-toe shoes. Paul Newman's style works best with footwear that feels classic. Penny loafers, desert boots, clean canvas sneakers, and simple leather sneakers all make sense. They are not loud, but they add taste. For men over 40, loafers are especially useful. They make jeans look more adult. They make chinos feel sharper. They work with a polo, an Oxford shirt, or a blazer. You can wear them casually, but they still show effort. Boots bring a more rugged mood. Desert boots or suede boots work well because they soften the outfit without looking delicate. Simple sneakers still have a place, but they should be clean and low profile. The moment the shoe becomes too chunky or futuristic, it pulls the outfit away from Newman's world. Condition matters as much as design. Worn in is fine, neglected is not. Brush suede, clean white soles, and retire shoes when the shape collapses. The goal is ease, not decay. Match the shoe to the mood. Loafers bring polish. Boots bring grit. Canvas sneakers bring youth, but only when the rest of the outfit is controlled. The wrong shoe can make a good outfit feel confused. Good footwear does not need attention. It just needs to make the rest of the outfit look better. Once the clothes are this quiet, the finishing details become more important. Tip number 9. Finish with sunglasses and a watch. Paul Newman understood that accessories should be small but memorable. He did not need a dozen details. A strong pair of sunglasses and a good watch were enough. Sunglasses are the more visible piece. They shape the face, add confidence, and give even a simple outfit a signature. Aviators, navigator frames, and classic tortoiseshell shapes are the safest choices for this style. Avoid huge logos, oversized fashion frames, or lenses that feel too trendy. The Oliver Peoples aviators work well here because they keep the look refined instead of flashy. A watch does the same thing in a quieter way. It tells people you care about details without announcing it. A steel sports watch, a field watch, a simple chronograph, or a leather strap watch can all work. The size matters. A watch should match your wrist. Too large, and it looks like performance. Too small, and it can feel delicate. The best choice looks natural when you are wearing jeans, but still acceptable with tailoring. Keep the other details restrained. A leather belt, clean socks, and a simple weekend bag are enough. Once you start stacking bracelets, logos, and loud hardware, the outfit loses that Newman calm. The same restraint applies to grooming. Newman's style was not messy. Hair, shave, and skin did not need to be perfect, but they looked cared for. Clothes only work fully when the man wearing them looks present. Accessories should never carry the whole outfit. They should finish what the clothes already started. Tip number 10. Keep tailoring relaxed and adult. The final lesson is tailoring. Paul Newman could look great in casual clothes, but he also understood the value of structure. That is why the full style guide cannot end with jeans and t-shirts alone. For men over 40, relaxed tailoring is one of the strongest tools available. A navy blazer, a clean sport coat, or one good suit can give the wardrobe authority. The point is not to dress formally every day. The point is to know how to look sharp when the moment calls for it. The fit should be clean through the shoulders and comfortable through the body. Avoid suits that are too tight, too shiny, or too fashion-driven. A mature suit should let you move. It should make you look composed, not trapped. Navy, charcoal, deep gray, and textured brown are safe places to start. They work with white shirts, light blue shirts, knit ties, loafers, and simple watches. Tailoring also teaches discipline. It reminds you that comfort and sharpness can exist together. The casual pieces look better when the tailored pieces follow the same rules. Clean lines, quiet colors, and no unnecessary drama. This is the real Newman lesson. Casual style only works when a man also understands discipline. The white tee looks better because the jeans fit. The jeans look better because the shoes are right. The jacket works because the colors are calm. That system is what makes it useful for real men. You can start small and still look better. Fix the t-shirt, clean up the denim, add the right collar, improve the shoes, then bring in the jacket. Nothing has to happen overnight. It is not one magic piece, it is a system. Like, subscribe, and watch the next video on your screen if you want more clean style upgrades for men over 40. The items are linked in the description, so start with one piece, build slowly, and keep the whole wardrobe simple, masculine, and easy to wear from here with confidence.